Faiza Cosmetics had a truly inspirational idea. Formulate a botanical anti-age intense repair serum using the very latest breakthroughs in cosmetic science. Use cutting-edge active ingredients researched and developed in the very best French laboratories. Increase collagen and keratin production. Reduce pore size and the production of sebum. Stimulate the interactions between collagen fibers and fibroblasts. Lifting and reshaping the face by allowing skin to tighten from within. Relax key muscles, acting as a natural alternative to Botox. Perfect for all skin types, this amazing formula is practically a facelift in a bottle. Faiza.ca, because you deserve the very best.